Just want to show you the adult birds feeding the babies. The little ones that sit there shivering. There, got it. There, caught on camera. The adults feed the babies who just sit there shivering, waiting to be fed. It's lovely to watch. Now there's the baby one, look right down there now. And there's a massive hierarchy. But what I've actually seen is those little babies, that one there, look, being fed by the adult. I don't know whether it's male or female. I think they must all take turns. There's a hierarchy. But what I've noticed is that the little ones who shiver, when the feeding station is empty, when they sit there on their own, they nip onto the feeder and they get some food. And then a bird comes back, probably the dominant one, and it flies back to the branch and just sits there shivering again. So I thought, oh, you cheeky little bird, you can feed yourself. But it doesn't. This must be how they're weaned. Who would have thought you could get so much information about sparrows from your own window? So the adults feed there. I'm sure it's not the same adult every time. And it's something to do with the hierarchy. When they're being weaned, they sit there shivering and the adults feed them. Then little by little, when the birds get their chance, they nip onto the feeder themselves and feed themselves. And so the cycle goes round, I suppose. And because of this feeding station, they're here all year round. Lovely. There you go. I'm just, there, got it again. I'm just going for my morning walk.